Hey everyone, welcome to our channel ECPC Fun Time. If you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. Today we are going to see how to make this beautiful card for greetings. I have written thank you so much. You can write happy birthday and use this card for birthday. This card has pretty blooming flowers inside. The very first step is you will be needed a thick card and you have to fold it like this. Since I'm going to use flower theme inside, I thought of giving green shades for the outer look. If you don't have more than one shade of green in your palette, then mix it up colors like green with yellow or very little amount of black or orange, then you will get similar colors like me. Nicely pigment the brush with the diluted colors and then paint it. Once the painting part is done, leave it to dry completely. Only then we can write up wordings on it. It took 20 to 25 minutes for me to dry completely. At this stage, our card looks like this. Take your time, grab the information and do write with the pencil first. I am writing with pencil first because I am very bad on writing directly with the product. First write with the pencil and then go with the marker. This will avoid mistakes. If you're good on directly writing with a marker or a sketch, you can skip this step and directly do the next step accordingly. If you're making this card for birthday, then skip on this ribbon and draw yummy cakes, balloons or poppers as well. The pencil part is over. I'm going to overwrite it with the marker. This card is really special. If you open this, you will be seeing lots of pop-up flowers in different colors. We will be making all those in very easy way. It is not necessary that we should use only flowers. If you're making this card for the birthday guy, you can fill it up with chocolates, cakes, pop-ups, etc. If you don't want to write with the marker, you can write with the paintbrush also. Thank you is one of the magical word, guys. If you say thank you, you will receive a smile from the heart of the person whom you say. You will always feel happy when you see that smile. And now here guys, writing with black color will give a bright look. So always have a choice to write black color on top of any light shades of paint. It's not yet done. I'm going to draw leaf like this so that it gives a little touch of the theme. It is not necessary that the leaf has to be perfect. Now the writing part is also going to be done. This is how it looks as this step. Now the front look is completely ready. You will be needed a sheet like this for making the steps for the flowers to pop up. The sheet must be within the greeting card, guys, and the folding here I'm doing is the very familiar known folding. It's the zigzag folding, guys. Everyone might have done this in their school days to make hand fan. Yeah, now here I have chosen two steps. I'm going to cut it like this and you're going to push it towards the back side, so you will get little detailing at the front look. That detailing will really look good on keeping flowers on it, and then you will paste this in the greeting card. Once the folding is done, you will be applying gum on the first and the last folding like this. You can also use glue or any other sticking material. Spread it evenly with a finger or a brush. Keep that folding inside the greeting card and press it slightly so that it will stick properly. The base for the flowers is ready. These are paintings that I have painted and then cut it to the exact shape. I have glue on my index finger. First goes in the blue and then the sticker or the stuff of the flowers. First stick on all the flowers and then stick the leaves or the little detailing in between the flowers so that you can fill up the little buds or the little flowers you have in the empty space. Yeah guys, it's done. I'm going to add a coding in the plain side. Once the coding part is done, the final look will be ready. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end. Do subscribe and click the bell icon of our channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment our videos. Follow me on Instagram as well. The link is in the description box.